There are 2 to 3 fuse boxes for a 2000 Honda CRV, depending on the model that you have. The first one will be located under the dash on the driver's side. There will be a panel here that you need to remove by pulling on this right here. Fuse box will be behind that cover. The back side of that cover is labeled where the fuses go. The second one will be located under the hood on the passenger side. You'll pull this tab right here and lift up on it. There's the fuse box. The top side of this cover is labeled fuse positions. Some models have an ABS fuse box, which is here. You'll push in on this clip here. There'll also be another clip on the back side that's hard to see. Once you push those in, you lift up, and you'll have the ABS fuse box behind that cover.